Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So, for today's video we are going to discuss about the homeroom guidance of Grade 12, Quarter 3, Module 7, entitled, Live Positively. And, after going through this module, you are expected to 1. Identify positive ways on resolving issues that involve oneself and others. 2. Appreciate good opportunities despite challenges and trials. And 3. Demonstrate problem-solving skills based on systematic analysis of the situation. A proverbial saying maintains that a joyful heart, akin to positivity, results to a better mood. This emphasizes the need for people to have a positive mindset as an effective formula to happiness. This module will help you bring out positivity in your life, particularly in facing the challenges of the new normal situation. The tasks ahead will give you knowledge, skills, and values on how to bravely face the problems with systematic approach and a healthy dose of positivity. Prepare yourself for an exciting ride to positivity. Before we start, let's try this first activity. Study the picture below and answer the following processing questions. For processing questions: 1. What do you think is the picture telling us? 2. How do you view the challenges and strife that you experience in life? 3. Why do you think it is important to look on the brighter side of life? How can you stay positive despite the new normal situation brought by COVID-19? Let's explore this activity too. Entitled, Gratitude Graffiti. These are the procedure. 1. With some recyclable materials that can be found inside your home like old magazines, newspapers, drawing and coloring materials, you will create a gratitude graffiti to be posted in the most visible area in your home. 2. Add borders and other decorations to make it visually appealing. 3. Using the sticky notes, write the things that you consider as blessings in your life that you should be thankful for. If sticky notes are not available, you may improvise by cutting some colored papers in metastrips. 4. You may also ask a family member to participate to write the things they are thankful for in the sticky notes or metastrips. 5. Organize the things you are thankful into the following categories: physical, mental, social, and spiritual. For processing questions: 1. How do you find this gratitude graffiti activity? 2. Is it still possible to count your blessings during this trying time? How? 3. How can this graffiti activity help you to remain positive in life? Activity number 3, entitled, Positivity Gauge. So, let us find out how optimistic you are. Read the following statements and tick how often you can relate to it. Check the interpretation of your scores on the next page. Copy this template on your answer sheet. Here's the score interpretation. So if it is 17 to 24, congratulations. Because you are indeed an optimistic person and that you are doing your best to live a positive life. 9 to 16, you are on your way there, but you can still be more optimistic by improving your outlook to some situations in life. 1 to 8, oops. You really need to work hard to be optimistic. You can go over to the tips discussed in this module and apply them in a daily basis. For processing questions: 1. What is your positivity score? 2. What is your initial reaction upon seeing the result? Are you satisfied with the result? Why? 3. How can you improve or maintain your positivity in life? Living a positive life. Life is too short to just dwell on negativities around us. Realistically speaking, we are never immune to imperfect conditions around us. From time to time, we will surely experience hassles, difficulties and challenges that will test our patience, tenacity, and faith. Instead of fretting and blaming yourself and others about the dire situation you are into, try to be clear-headed in confronting the problem, composed and optimistic that you will come up with the best possible solution that will help you rise above the situation. To help you become more optimistic in life, try to always do the following tips whenever you see yourself in negative life situation. Seek the support of positive people. Your parents, teachers, friends, and loved ones can easily become part of this support group, which can help you tackle situations positively. There may be others who make you feel downhearted. It will do you well if you lessen your exposure to them. You must always surround yourself with optimistic people that will surely help and guide you in dealing with any life challenges. See the positive in every situation. The quality of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. If you think you are constantly bothered by a particular life situation, you need to compose and have a clear mind to look into another perspective. What good can this situation give to you? What is the most positive action I can do to address the problem? Avoid overanalyzing. Do not dwell on the thought about something, thinking about it over and over, until it exhausts most your time and energy. Overanalyzing cripples us from being more proactive and removes our attention from the bigger picture of many possibilities on how to deal with challenges and enjoy life more. Be proactive. Instead of watching your life as it unfolds and become bitter and frustrated for the many things you should have done, try to make positive things happen in your life. Start on that habit you have been planning to improve your health. Quit on those trivial habits, e.g., browsing social media and watching streaming videos, that are eating up your time, and be more productive instead. Problem solving based on systematic analysis. A problem is an unsatisfactory situation which causes difficulty to an individual and needs to be corrected. The problem starts to exist when the reality does not match what you expect to happen. The first thing to do in solving a problem is to clarify what is really the problem. When you already have a clear picture, you may then identify its root causes. Prioritize the main root causes of your problem, then develop an action plan targeting on how to resolve each. Execute this plan and see how it will help you to solve the dilemma, or at least make the situation a little bit better. Being objective and methodical in dealing with life problems will help you not to decide haphazardly into matters that might impact your life and your future adversely. Combining your positive views in life and your logical approach in problem solving will give you a greater edge to solve any problems or surpass any challenges that life may throw at you. After our discussion, let's try this activity number 4, entitled, The Dr. Positivity Show. For procedure 1. Visualize that you are the host of a primetime TV show about giving advices, suggestions, and helping people who are experiencing problems or difficulties in life. 2. The following are your guests for today. Guest 1. A senior high school student, who would like to stop from school because of bullying. Guest 2. A young woman, who is pregnant but has difficulty disclosing her situation to her parents. 3. Write a script on how you would uplift the spirit of these people and encourage to stay positive and address their issues objectively. 4. You may enact a scene with more mature family members acting as your guest as you discussed your well-thought alternatives and options. You may also record the scene and upload the video in your social media account. For processing questions. 1. How do you find this activity? 2. As Dr. Positivity, what scenario did you find to be the most difficult to deal with? 3. What alternatives and options did you give your guest? 4. How can positivity change your life's perspectives in dealing with the strife of life? Show how much you have learned from this module by copying this 3-2-1 table below and fill it out with your responses in your answer sheet. For first column, put the 3 things you learned from the lesson. For second column, put the 2 reasons why being positive is being important. And for third column, put 1 thing you want to explore. And now it's time to share your thoughts and feelings. Congratulations, you finished this learning episode. Share your thoughts and feeling about this lesson by answering the following questions. 1. How do you feel after going through with this module? 2. How can you deal with life's challenges positively? 3. Do you think your attitude and behavior have a big impact in living with positivity? Why or why not? 4. How can you encourage your family to stay positive amidst this COVID-19 pandemic?